Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're talking about something simple yet important. How to manually change the date and time in Windows 10. Maybe your clock decided it's living in the past, or got a little too excited and skipped ahead into the future. Either way, I've got you covered with an easy step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the Settings app. Click the Start button, the Windows logo in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and then click the gear icon. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Time and Language. You'll find it in the list of options, usually with the little clock icon next to it. Pretty self-explanatory, right? When in doubt, look for the icon that screams Time. In the Date and Time section, you'll see an option that says Set Time Automatically. If it's turned on, toggle it off. Why? Because you can't manually set the time if your computer is doing it automatically. Think of it like taking the wheel from autopilot. You're in charge now. Now that you've turned off the automatic setting, you'll see a button that says Change under Set the Date and Time Manually. Click it, and a new window will pop up with fields for the date and time. Enter the correct date and time unless you're planning a trip back to 1999 or trying to predict 2050. Once you're done, click Change. That's it. Your time is officially set. If you need to adjust the time zone, you can do it right there too. Just use the drop-down menu under Time Zone and select the current one. If you're traveling, this will come in handy. And if you're not sure what your time zone is, well, Google's got your back. Finally, check the clock in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen to make sure everything looks right. If it's accurate, congratulations, you've successfully tamed the beast that is time. If not, go back and double check your settings. Even the best of us make typos sometimes. And there you have it. That's how you manually change the date and time in Windows 10. Whether you're fixing a wrong clock or just showing your computer who's boss, now you've got the skills to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.